Let's get your senior project TAC page set up in 3 steps. The first step is to log into TAC and create the page. Start first by going to tac.com, and then you want to select this option for more sign up options and log in with your school Google account. I repeat, use your school Google account. You'll simply press this button. You'll enter your school email address and your password. You'll approve, and now you're logged in. Once you're logged in using your school Google account, we will press the green pencil button in the top right corner and select blank canvas. The first thing we'll do is put a headline or a title on our TAC page, and we just call it senior project. You should probably put your name or Tommy's senior project. Just a small optional, if you select palettes from the colors, you can select any number of color to give your project a theme. But what you need to do is press this to add a button. We'll add a button, and we'll double click here to customize the button label, and we'll call it Senior Project Resources. And up here we need to send a link back to tac.com/seniorproj. And that is the link to the senior project page. We'll press the apply button, and now we have a button that sends us back to the senior project page where you'll find the rest of your instructions. Now the last step we need in order to publish our TAC page is this options. So right here there's a options tab. You want to set it to private. Do not enable a password. You can give it a title. Please leave the TAC URL unpersonalized. We'll leave that as default. And all we need to do now is press Publish TAC. And you'll notice that it's published because instead of saying edit, it's now a randomly assigned URL. And we're going to need that URL for our next step. So let's highlight that, press Control-C, and we're done with the first part. All right, now we're ready for step 2, which is sharing your TAC so that your senior team can see it. To get back to the senior project page, we have this helpful button that we just made. So if I press this button, it will load up the senior project resources. I can now scroll down, and right here it says that I need to complete this Google form. I will select this form. Here I will paste the link to my TAC page. If I didn't copy it, I can just go right back here, highlight this, and select copy. And then I can paste it right there. And lastly is who is my advisor. I'm just going to add their last name and press submit. And I have completed the second part. Now that I have finished creating my TAC page, setting the options, publishing it, copying the link, and sending that through my Google form, I'm ready for the last step, which is to copy the vision and goals document and add that to my TAC page. Start by returning to the senior project resource page and scroll down to step number 2, which is the vision and goals document. So if you press this button, it will load a copy of the vision and goals document. You won't be able to edit this document. What you'll need to do instead is to select File, Make a Copy. You'll change the name, so I'll say Tommy's Vision and Goals, and you can save it into whatever folder you want. I'm just going to select my folder. And all I need to do now is press OK. I now have a copy of this document. There's 2 more things I need to do in order to get this added to my senior TAC page. The first thing is to press the share button. You can see right now it's private only to me. That's a problem. So I'll select share, select advanced, select change, select on anyone with the link, and save. Now right click up here and press copy, because now this link will be accessible. Copy. Now that I have that copied, I will return to my senior TAC page. I will add another button, and now I will right click and paste that link that I just copied. That will go to my new Vision and Goals document. And here I will click on the text here to change the button's text and say my vision and goals. I'll press apply, and now I have a button, and I'll try it now. If I click on this, it'll go to my vision and goals. I now have my senior TAC page created. I've submitted the link to my senior TAC through the Google form. I have a button that goes back to my senior project resources page, and a button that goes to my vision and goals, which I'll fill out when I have time.